Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Abimbola Ruthie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to apply your eyeshadow in a very easy way, just like the title of this video. So in case you want to see this eyeshadow tutorial, please keep watching this video then.
So first off, I'm taking LA Pride Oil Control Concealer Palette, and I'm using an eyeshadow primer from the palette just to prime my eyes, and that's going to be the base for my eyeshadow. So just tap that on your eyelids and blend it as well. Just tap and blend till it's fully blended. Then the first thing you need to do is take your first shade and just tap that in the outer part of your eyelid, like your outer corner. Just tap that. You have to build up. You don't just throw like an amount of eyeshadow on there. You just have to build up. And yeah, also take it to the inner corner, just like in a sweeping motion. Then you do the same on the other eye. You tap that on the outer corner, then you sweep it to the inner corners. Just tap and blend at the same time so that your eyeshadow blending doesn't become patchy or become difficult later on. So I'm going into this I think rainbow collection palette from Classic Makeup USA, and I'm taking the yellow shade there, and I'm just tapping that like in the middle part of my eyelid. You have to build up. You don't just take a lot and start. You have to build up. So patience is key when doing your eyeshadow. You have to be patient. Just do it gently so you get what you want. So just tap that in the middle part, not the outer part, the middle part. So just keep tapping and blending same time. Most times you don't have to wait like to the last minute or till you're done with everything to blend. You can blend as you go. So yeah, tap off the excess and blend it into your inner corners. Okay, next I'm going into this eyeshadow palette from GLF Cosmetics Princess Azteca palette, I guess. So I'm taking a shade there and I'm just tapping that into my inner corner. I think it's like a white shade, just to brighten up the inner part of my eye, so your eye looks, brightened. Like, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, tracing the inner corner of my eye. I'm kind of tracing it here with the brush. So you have to use a smaller brush if you want to get this. Just trace that part. And you can keep adding more pigment or eyeshadow. It is whatever you want to do. If you want more, you can. If you want less, just put a little. So now go back in and blend. Okay, I'm going back to tap the yellow eyeshadow because I feel it was not really pigmented and I wanted more pigment, so I had to go back into it. So I'm just tapping that the same in the parts and blending as well with the outer corner shade and the inner corner shade. So just blend it on your crease area. That is the part you can't feel, like your eyeballs, that area, just blend it on there. Then I also think your finger is also a tool for eyeshadow application. So me, I still prefer going back with my finger. So I just went back with my finger to get more of that eyeshadow. So I'm going back into my inner corners for that whitey shade. Also apply it. Please be generous with your eyeshadow. Be indeed generous. There's no need trying to be miserly with it. Okay, so I did my skin off camera, eyelash, mascara, and yeah, eyeliner off camera to save time. So I'm just using powder, like a dark shade of powder, to kind of contour, like a soft contour. I'm just blending it same time. I like blending like same time. I don't like doing it then leaving it. Then I took a whiter shade to kind of do a soft reverse contour. So I'm dusting off the powder. Yeah, it's really soft, like I said. It's not like the shouting or the loud type. So this is the finished look. Yeah guys, this is so good. Like the eyeshadow, it's soft but at the same time it's really nice, and I feel it complements my eyes. Yes. So I'm trying to show you the look from all angles. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And till then, see you in my next video.